Hey, it's the Killer H51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the PowerBeats Pro. You can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price $200. So on Amazon it says limited time deal. So as you can see here, I am on Amazon. As you can see, it says limited time deal. So if I were you, I would highly jump on it right now before it goes back up to $250. So yeah, so if I were you, I'll jump on it right now. So let's go over the features right on the box. So it says up to 9 hours, sweat and water resistant earphones, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, and it says on-ear controls for music and calls. So now let's see what we get inside. Okay, so here is the charging case, as you can see here. So let's set that off to the side and see what else we get. What else we get is a lightning to USB, as you can see, and then we get different size ear tips. And then in here we get the usual books and shit, and then we get the PowerBeats sticker, as you can see here. Okay, so now let's put this back in here. Okay, so now let's close this up. So here is the PowerBeats, as you can see. So at the back we get the lightning port, as you see. We get the Beats logo. Right here in the front we get a LED indicator. And then if we open it up, as you see, there's a button right there. So that way you can pair it. So let's go ahead and take these out. So it looks pretty cool, as you see. So it looks pretty cool. So here's your two buttons. So these two buttons work. And then you get your volume up and down, as you see. And then you get left and right channels, as you see here. So let's put it back into the case. Okay, so there's these magnets in the case, as you see. And then there's these magnets. So as you see, there's the magnets right there. All you have to do is go like that. Then go like that, as you see. Okay, so now let's grab a phone and pair it up. So in order to pair it up, just grab your iPhone, grab your PowerBeats, open the case, and then hold it up next to your phone. And then this thing will pop up. As you can see, it tells you your device name. So it tells you your device name, tells you the battery. As you can see, my earphones is at 100, the case is at 40%. So yeah, so let's go ahead and slap these into my ears. Okay, fits very comfortably, and let's grab some music. So I got some music queued up, as you can see. So one tap, play, and pause. If you hear me singing, don't mind me. So one tap, play, and pause. As you can see, my music paused. Let's check the volume. As you can see, the volume is going up and down, so that works. So if you double tap, it skips to the next song. So as you can see, it went to the next song. If you triple tap, it goes to the previous song. There you go, it went to the previous song. And if you tap and hold, it activates your voice assistant. What is the weather today? As you can see, or you can just say, hey, okay, and so yeah. So now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music while one earbud is charging? So let's go ahead and play a song here. I'm gonna take the right ear out, and then I'm gonna press play on the left, and the left is still playing. Let's put it in the case. Let's close it up. And the left side is still playing. As you can see, it's still connected. Okay, so now let's take out the right, put it back in my ear. Let's take out the left. Okay, and it's playing on my right ear now. So let's put it in the case. Let's close it up. As you can see, my music is still playing. So now let's go ahead and take it back out. And now my music is playing on both sides, which is pretty cool. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I give the PowerBeats Pro a 10, fresh out of the box, and so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up, helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.